Hello, my name is Oritseweyimi Ajogri. I'm going to be doing a video presentation on deviance that needs to be addressed in our society. First on my slide, I'm going to go ahead and explain the meaning of deviance. Deviance could be any unpleasant attitude that happens in our society, um, uh, like deviance can take place in a society that is in the physical world. The most common form of deviance are crime against others or society such as theft, abuse, murder, etc. So I'm going to go ahead on my second slide right here. I have what is defined as deviance in the digital world. Deviance is act that occurs via the internet. In the digital world, deviance means act that occurs in the internet. Okay, so right here on my other slide, I'm gonna go ahead. So I have right here the meaning of deviance that happens in the physical world and the visual world. So deviance that occurs in the physical world could be theft, sexual harassment, robbery, and murder. And the visual world could be bullying, that's cyberbullying, theft, and posting other person's pictures without their knowledge. So those could be deviance that happens in the physical and visual world. So on my other slide right here, I have right here I defined deviance according to conflict theory. So I'm going to go ahead and read it to you. I said first, I said on my slide, I said first, conflict theory is a early sociological theory with a foundation in the power differentiation that exists in society according to Camus' law. Okay, was one of the earliest sociologists that supported, Kama was one of the earliest sociologists that supported this theory, which states that the elite class in society dominates because of their power. So right here on the slide, if you go ahead to read it, you understand what how conflict theory define deviance. And on my other slide, I explained to what how symbolic interaction define deviance. So on my other slide right here, I'm going to go ahead to explain how do the theories discuss impact the meaning or interaction of deviance in the digital world. So right here, I explain that on this very slide. So I'm going to go ahead to the third slide, which is the last slide. Right here, the question here is how do you I can't see very well. Is how do you eviction that deviance in the visual world or deviance due to technology advancements can can impact your stories. So right here I explained that on my slide 2, and I think on my last slide I went ahead to explain what are some I can say it very well. So I explain, let me see. So basically what I have on my slide is each and every questions um that I explain all the theories and what deviance mean and how deviance impacts we the citizen living in the society, how we could prevent deviance, and how we could how deviance, kinds of deviance that occurs in the visual world and in the physical world too. So on my last slide, I'm gonna go ahead and um attach this link to my last slide so you could explain, and I hope you understand every bit of it, and I hope you understand my accent too. So basically what I did was just I spoke about deviance, how deviance could affect us, how we could try to how we could try to prevent deviance that happens in the physical and in the visual world. And thank you for listening to this. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and bye for now.